Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to talk to you guys about outside air kits. So what is an outside air kit, also sometimes called a fresh air intake? Why would you want it? When would you use it? And who needs it? So if you are wondering, this is going to be the video for you. So an outside air kit usually consists of two components. This is your actual air intake kit. This part here, it will come standard with a collar to adapt it onto the stove. It'll come with the air register to put into either the floor or the wall, and then two bands to make the connection around the flex pipe. Also included with the kit, it depends on the manufacturer. This one that we're looking at is a fresh air intake kit by SBI, which is basically good for the Drolet, Osborne, Ventus, Velcor products are all going to have similar air kits. Now this one is going to be a 5-inch flexible liner, and it is insulated. So that's nice if you live in cold climates to have that insulated so the outside air warms up a little bit before it hits your firebox. That keeps it easier to light your fire on extremely cold days. Okay, I want to show you these up close and also clarify, because I said included with the kit, and what I should say is both of these items are required for installation, but they're sold separately. These are your adapter items. That's what's going to come in that box. This is what your flex looks like. It's basically a flexible liner kit with wrapped insulation around it. Now, why would you want a kit? If you are in a mobile or a manufactured home, this could be a required item and most likely is. So you need to check with your local building code to be sure on what is required in your area. You would also want to consider an outside air kit if you live in like a very, very tightly insulated home. Sometimes if it's like brand new construction or, you know, extra insulation like a solar passive home or something of that sort. If you have a lot of exhaust fans installed in the house as well, then that can cause a negative pressure effect, which you may want to definitely consider adding the outside air kit to your stove in that case as well. So those would be the reasons why you would use an outside air kit. I really hope you guys found this product overview helpful and the information helpful. I do try and make your online shopping experience super easy. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget, give them a thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. The more views I get, the more thumbs up I get, the more videos I will make for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.